It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 Buick Encore GX Select with a Sport Touring package. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Encore GX. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, the hands-free power liftgate where we're able to set that opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, door storage and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have some lighting controls and dials, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, cloth leather combination interior. Next I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the leather wrapped steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and on the right side we have our audio controls and voice commands. Next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, we have some interior light buttons and OnStar. This is Buick's Infotainment Center, equipped with wireless Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also able to pair a phone. It has our climate control buttons. The hard buttons for that are just down below. And the screen also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. To the left here is our engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake and hold that button down to start the vehicle. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, some USB ports and power plug-ins, no slip matting, the auto stop start button, all-wheel drive, lane departure alert, and traction control. At the front of the Encore GX, we have LED headlamps, fog lights, a custom grille insert with red accents, 18-inch aluminum wheels, front and rear sport bumpers, a 1.3-liter turbo engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Remote start, the rear window wiper, and a power liftgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to open up the liftgate. In the trunk we have plenty of cargo storage space, a cargo shade. We've also got cargo hooks, lighting, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment with a spare tire down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has some USB ports, all-weather floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to lay these rear seats down by pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2022 Buick Encore GX Select, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.